Hello everyone, welcome back to BJ Tech channel. In today's video, I want to teach you guys how you can use your PIA Proxy on iPhone. I'm aware that you guys can't download the app on App Store. It's not on App Store. So if you want to use your PIA Proxy, if you want to use your IPS on your iPhone, this is how to go about it. Firstly, once you log in to your PIA Proxy account, you can see it. Once you log in, put it in desktop mode. Let me show you how to be in desktop mode. You still request desktop site. This request mobile site. So I already changed mine. So once you are on this thing, you go to you click the email part. So once you are on this place, you click on this three menu. This is it. Once you click it, you find this SOCKS5 Proxy. You click it. Hope you understand. Once you click it, you can see it now. If I say let me download the app, they'll be showing me it's not available. So this is it. You can see the interface. I have 8 IPS. You can see it. So to use it is very simple. You don't need to download this app, but you'll still be using your IPS on another site. So it's very simple. Firstly, you click on this endpoint generator. Once you click it, let's see this thing. You can see it now. Once you click on the endpoint, this is the sub accounts that I have created before. Anytime you want to use it, maybe you want to use your IPS, you just create a sub account, or you can still use the existed one. This is the one that I created. So I'll show you. You still understand what I'm saying? So as it is now, as a first timer, you create a sub account. A sub account is what you use. It's like your login details to log in to use your IPS. So you click on create a sub account. Once you click on create sub account, you create the sub account. So let's start. It's very simple. Just click on add sub account. So you just put your username. For the purpose of this video, we'll be using BJ Tech. So I created the username. The password will be, let's use BJ Tech channel. I want to just use it like that. BJ Tech channel 1. That is our password. You see how you can copy it. That is our password and username of what we created now. So once you create that, you scroll down. Okay, click on show. Okay, once you click on show, just go back to this thing. Just return to this thing. It has been added. You see it. Let's refresh. You can see your sub account that you added. You can see it now. This is it. Once you are on this page, you go back to your endpoint. You click on endpoint. So once you are on this endpoint now, you see it now. This thing now, you can choose to select the one that you created before, and you can choose to select the one that you created now. So for the purpose of this video, we are selecting the one that you created now, which is BJ Tech. This thing. So the region, this is the region part. You select the country that you want. You can see different country here. You select the country. So for the purpose of the video, we'll be going with United States of America. So let's choose it, USA. Once we choose that, click confirm. The state, this Proxy address, this is default. This is default of how the site generated. So you choose you just leave it like that. Leave that as it is. The state, you can choose to choose your state. For the purpose of the video, we're using California. Hope you understand. We're using California. You can choose to choose anyone. This city. Okay, for the purpose of the video, we'll be using let's use this orange. Let's use this orange. Okay, so that is that on that. Now we have created our sub accounts successfully. As you created this now, you can use it on your this thing and login. You can use it. I'll show you how to use it now. This is everything. You have already created everything like this. Your username, your password. That is the thing that you need. Your Proxy address and your I'll show you how to use it. This Proxy address, I'll show you everything. I'll show you how to use the username and the password too. So just note that you already created it like this. Once you see all this, you already created it like this. So let's go to how to use it now. So to use it now, make sure you download this app, Super Proxy. Go to your app store. It's there. I don't want to hear it's not there. So just go to your app store. I already downloaded mine. Just go to your app store, search for Super Proxy. It's on Android and it's on iPhone. It's on Android. You can check it there. So this is it, the first one. Once you downloaded it, I'll open it. So once you open the Super Proxy app, this is how to use it. You can see the interface now. It's very easy to use. So you can be using this method on both Android and your iPhone. If you want to use the PIA Proxy login details, if you want to use your PIA Proxy IPS. So as you download this app now, Super Proxy, just click on add. It's very easy. This default, you can choose to write any name. For the purpose of the video, I'm writing United States. United States. The protocol is still SOCKS5. Leave it like that. The server, now this is how you use the server. The server is same thing as this. Let me show you the server. This is the server. You copy this. See the server. You copy the this thing till you reach that .com. You copy it. You go back to the app. You paste it. Allow paste. So once you allow paste, you can see it check mark. So the port is this second one now. This 7,000. That is the port. You just write the port 7,000. It will check mark, which is correct. So now you click on this none part. You see none and username or password. So you click on username or password. Then you copy the username that you created. You can see it now. You just click on this copy button at your right. You click on it. See your username. This is your username. Make sure you click everything like that. So you go back to the site and you paste it. So once you paste it, the password, you go back and you copy the password. Let me show you the password. So the password, this is the password. See the password. Okay. So once you paste it, allow. You can see it now. Remember, we have 8 IPS. So once we do this, everything is check mark. I'll just save it. You can see now. I already saved it now. Once I save it now, I can just click on start. Once I click on start, you will see it now. See it. The thing has connected. The thing has been connected. So to know whether you have connected to this IP that you configure now, just go to the app, go to your browser, and search for word.net. Let's check whether this IP is good. So word.net. Okay, you see it now. You see how's everything aligned. You see it. You have seen it now. Our IP is in the United States. You can see that we have configured our IPS. You can see it now. Everything is correct. You can see everything is correct. It's in the United States. To make this thing be in 80 or 90, or this is your disguise. To make it be, just change your time to the country time, which is United States. You know, we have different network on this PIA Proxy. So you can choose to generate another one. If you don't want to use that one, you can choose to generate another, configure another username on this SOCKS5 PIA Proxy. So that is how you can use your PIA SOCKS5 Proxy on iPhone. If you can't download the app, you can't even download the app. It's not that if you can't download the app. If you enjoyed this video so far, please like, share and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Don't forget to like this video and comment good comments. Share this video with your loved ones. So like this now, you can choose to delete this thing, to delete the one that you configured, the IP that you configured. You can see it now. You can choose to delete it if you don't want to use it again. You can see it now, like the one that I did before. I can choose to delete it. Note, once you connect, it will deduct your IPS. Let's check our IP. You can see it now. You know, we have 8 IPS before. Just like using the app. If you connect on the app, it will deduct 1 IPS. For those using the app, they understand what I'm saying. So it's just like using the app too. Once you connect, as we configure this now, as we configure the IP, once we connect, it will deduct it. You can see now it has been deducted. See it, we have 7 IPS there. So once you want to use another one, maybe you want to use another this thing now, this is even good, because this one is even good than the app. The app have so much some error. You can even disconnect sometime by itself. So with this now, you can be using it, choose the country that you want to choose, and on the app you can't see much country. On this site now, you can choose, see how we choose different, see how we scroll and choose different country. So that is it, guys, on this video. Please like and share this video, subscribe to this YouTube channel. See you next in my next video. Bye.